All right, today we're going to talk about multiplying decimals. And multiplying decimals is different than adding and subtracting decimals, where you line them up. Multiplying is different. Here are the steps. Number one, you're going to multiply like normal. Don't worry about the decimal. Just set it up as if there was no decimal there. Two, you're going to count how many total numbers there are to the right of the decimal. Start at the right of your answer and go left the number of places you counted in step two. This may seem confusing, but I'm going to show you with an example how easy it is. So if I have 32.2 times 7, I'm giving you the number here. So this is as if I did 32.2 times 7. So if I did that, I would get 2254. Now I'm going to teach you how to move the decimal. Since there's one number to the right of the decimal, I'm going to move it once. So it's 225.4. The decimal for the 7 is here, and there's no numbers to the right. There's a bunch of zeros, but we don't count that. So there it is. One number past the decimal, so I move it one place to the left. 225.4. Example 1.23 times 0.5 is 615 when I multiply. Now let's move the decimal. I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3 places. So I go 1, 2, 3 places. So it's 0.615. 3 numbers past, so I move it left 3 places. All right, here's another example. 0.23 times 0.4. That's going to equal 92. And let me show you this because this gets a little tricky. So if I multiply, I get 12. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now, I have to move the decimal 1, 2, 3 places. So watch this. I'm going to go 1, 2. And if I run out of numbers, I move it one more time, and I put a 0 in there. And that's my answer. All right, 12 times 0.3. 12 times 3 is 36. And now I move the decimal one place. The decimal here for the 12 is here, and there's no numbers to the right. So it's just one place. So I start here at the right, and I go left one place, 3.6. All right. What I want you to do is pause the video and try to work these. And you can work them one at a time if you don't feel confident, or you can work all three. But the key is you're going to work all three of them, either one at a time or all three. All right, so pause the video. All right, 0.3 times 0.2. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm going to move the decimal 1, 2 places. So 1, 2. All right, 8 times 1.2. Now, I could write it as this, but that doesn't work in my brain, so I'm not going to write it like that. You can, but I'm going to do the one with the most digits first. And notice, I don't care if the decimals are lined up. They don't need to be. It's only if it's adding and subtracting. So now that I've got it to where I want it, I'm going to multiply. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And I'm going to move the decimal one place, 1. So it's 9.6 is my answer. All right, 0.31 times 0.6. 0.31 times 0.6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Now I'm going to move the decimal 1, 2, 3 places. 1, 2, 3. And I put there. And there you have it. There's those 3. Hopefully you got the right answers to them. All right, try 3 more. Pause the video and work these either one at a time or all 3. All right, 3.4 times 0.3. 3.4 times 0.3. So I do 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Now move the decimal 1, 2 places. 1, 2. So my answer is 1.02. Back and right. All right, 0.4 times 4. Now I don't really need to set anything up here. I can just do it. 4 times 4 is 16. I moved the decimal one place only because this decimal is here and there's nothing to the right. So I go 1. So my answer is 1.6. All right, 0.002 times 1.1. All right, I'm going to do, watch how I write this. I'm going to do 1.1 on top times 0.002. Here's why. I don't want to do a bunch of rows of numbers. And I know if I do all zeros, it's just going to be all zeros. I'm not going to waste my time. So watch this. I'm going to do 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And that's all I need to do. If I did the zeros, I would just have 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 0, 0. I would just have all that, and that's not necessary. So I just am writing it and doing it a little bit quicker. And now, but I do need to worry about how I move the decimal these zeros. So I move it 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the decimal, I put zeros as a placeholder. And there it is. And here are the answers. Check your answers and go back and review if you need to.